Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remotely start your Ford Explorer. First, make sure your vehicle is equipped with the remote start system. All doors must be completely closed and locked for the system to activate. This ensures safety and proper function. The remote start feature works best when you are within a range of about 300 feet from your vehicle, giving you plenty of flexibility. Starting your Explorer remotely is quite simple. Begin by pressing the lock button on your key fob one time. This action prepares the system for the next step. Then, within 3 seconds, press the remote start button 2 times. You'll notice the parking lights flash, indicating that the remote start command has been received and the engine is starting. It's a quick and easy sequence. Once started, your Explorer's engine will run for a preset duration, typically 5, 10, or 15 minutes, depending on your vehicle's settings. If you need more time, simply repeat the remote start steps to extend the run time. To turn off the engine remotely before the timer expires, just press the remote start button on your key fob one time. This provides convenient control. Remember a few important tips for safe remote starting. Never use remote start in an enclosed, unventilated area like a garage, due to exhaust fumes. Also, the system will not activate if your vehicle's hood is open, which is a safety feature. Finally, always be aware of and follow any local regulations concerning vehicle idling times. Stay safe and enjoy this convenient feature.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.